Do you want to be able to cancel your WillyWeather subscription now in 2024? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to explain to you and show you step by step exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your WillyWeather app, because we need to do it from the settings app instead. So go into your settings app and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just locate your name or your Apple ID name in the top, as you can see. So just click on it and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just simply find where it says payment, or sorry, find where it says subscriptions, of course. So click on subscriptions. Just going to load, and in here you will be able to see all your active subscriptions that you currently have, and you need to locate where it says WillyWeather. So the WillyWeather app logo in here, click on it. Then when you click on it, then you will see where it says cancel subscription. You click on it, you will need to also once again click on cancel subscription just to verify that is something that you want to be able to do. And after that, you will be able to cancel your WillyWeather subscription. So it is that easy. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.